My recording, yeah. I hope you guys appreciate me. It is cold as shit out. I recorded this at the same time as the Winter Was Whack video. So, like, I'm braving the elements out here to get you guys a video. Fuck, it's cold. So I can't really feel my hands or the upper part of my legs and or my throat. I don't have a covering over my face, so my neck is just exposed. Normally I do have a thing when it's cold as shit out, but this time I don't. Nice truck. That's a cop. I hope I'm not speeding. I'm not speeding. For once I am not speeding. Let's go. But yeah, no, I'm wearing Vans again. These are the only shoes I have that fit between the peg and the shifter on this damn bike. But yeah, no, I'm wearing Vans again. These are the only shoes I have that fit between the peg and the shifter on this damn bike. I'm dying, boys. Nobody gets my shit. Bury it with me. Now you get to see a classic Michigan left. Gotta go straight and then turn around to go left. Against all that traffic. Might not be my smartest move to date, but I will try. Oh, maybe it'll be my smart move. You know, I've actually got an idea for a video where I literally just go car shopping with you guys. Let me know if you think that'd be a decent video. I don't know. Maybe it'd be boring as hell. Because like I said, I'm literally car shopping at dealerships. Not that my car is bad necessarily, but it would be cool to get a truck. So I really miss having a truck. I used to have a truck. I used to have two trucks actually. I had a 2001 Silverado, followed by a 2006 Silverado. Now I've got an Equinox. I upgraded, but stereo, downgraded in power. Whack. Look at me trying to rub my fucking hands together like it's gonna do anything. I have gloves on. Fucking schmidiot I am, eh? Excuse me. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's the car behind me with their brakes. Because I just hit my brakes again and I didn't hear that squealing noise. The fuck? I don't know what he said. I don't know what he said. He said something. I don't know what the hell he said. The camera will pick it up, I know that much. I really don't know what he said. Huh? I think he said something about send. I don't know. Why do people gotta yell at me in traffic, man? I don't know what they said. I really don't know what they said though. Huh? Yeah, they're coming up again though. I don't know what the fuck he said! And now he's waving at me like he knows me, what the hell? Oh well, I'm stuck at this red light anyway, so... What the fuck? I really don't know what this dude said to me. The car is limping at home. Damn. I'm gonna get to the gas station down here. I'm gonna park and look at my bike and see if he was trying to tell me something was hanging off. I don't know what he said. I'm sure when I watch the video back, I'll know exactly what he said, and I'll feel like an idiot for doing all this extra stuff when I didn't need to. Better safe than sorry. Cause my license, not my license, to my light, yeah, turn signal. That's what it's called. My turn signal's been where it's at. Phone's fine. Not wearing anything, but like all black. Well, I got blue jeans on, but I'm all black. I really don't know what the hell he said to me. I'm so curious now. I have people talk to me all the time randomly at stoplights. It's not like with the camera on, so you gotta take me at face value for that. But like, I can normally hear what they're saying because they talk loud enough to compensate for the fact I'm wearing a helmet on a motorcycle. That guy did not. What the hell did he say? Unless he was saying something with the state cop, I don't know. Yeah, I have no idea what the hell the dude was talking about. I guess we'll just never know, or I won't know until I find out on like editing table. You guys will find out as soon as it happens. So, oh my god, I got cold again. Holy shit. Fuck. Oh, I'm actually shaking. Let's go to the gas station and turn around so I can start headed towards my house because I'm fucking freezing my goddamn ass off right now, dude. Wouldn't it be awkward as hell if that guy was like here, just, you know, as a coincidence? That would be wild. Stay. Oh my gosh, it is cold. Tires fine, exhaust is, everything's fine. I don't know what the hell I was yelling at. Oh my gosh, this is the jankiest fucking shit. Bruh. Alright, fuck you too then. Alright. Debit. Yeah, whatever, fuck you. I'll get gas somewhere else. He acts like I didn't see him just go on the wheel, but I definitely saw him do that. Man, I gotta start reacting to these things instead of just looking at people. Fuck, I got my Velcro and my glove stuck on my fucking body armor. I say body armor, it's just like a fucking icon vest. Still so foreign to me that you guys have, I say you guys, I have the same bike, that these bikes have fucking locks on their gas tank. Thanks. Yeah. I hate it how putting fuel in my bike is like trying to feed a toddler. You gotta like cup it so it doesn't drop shit all over the place. I'm impartial to having kids. If I meet someone right, let's go for it. Otherwise, get away from me with that baby shit, boys. There's no single mothers. Leave me alone. Unless you're a friend, fucking turn. Thank you. Unless you're a friend.